our room at Copper Creek. We're in 6115. If you want a little bit more space, ask for this room, do like a request on touring plans and stuff for this room, because I'm gonna show you, this is a studio villa, but it's got a ton of space. It's almost as big as a 1-bedroom. So you walk in the door and you have a hallway and a closet and safe, extra pillow blanket. And then this is gonna be the little kitchen area. Got pull-out drawers and some utensils, sink, microwave, coffee maker. You've got ice bucket stuff here. This is your fridge down here. This is a connecting door. In a studio, it would be all one room. So they've got an extra room with a TV, dresser. This is gonna pull out into the sofa bed. Windows here. This is the balcony. Awesome pool view. I'm gonna show you outside in just a second. And then you come in here and it's almost like you have a separate bedroom. So there's a tiny little Juliet balcony here. Table. Look at all the windows. Bed. Look at all the space. Ton of space for a studio. This is amazing. Okay, and then the bathroom is gonna have a sliding door. Come on in. It's huge. Like, this bathroom is massive. One sink, drawers, got a tub shower, toilet. Look at all the shelves. And got stuff on the wall here. So this is a tub shower, but you still have a rainfall. I'm gonna show you the view. This is the little Juliet balcony. Look, there's the creek. So this room is like right kind of in the center of Wilderness Lodge. So this is Copper Creek side. That's Wilderness Lodge room side. It's right down there. So you get creek noise. And then we're gonna have a second balcony. It doesn't look like there's a door that separates bedroom from this room, but that's okay. And then out here, this is the balcony. So you have a little table and chairs and view. The little lookout point is right down there. That's going to be the quick service down here. Geyser Point's going to be out that way. And down that way is where the boat dock is, where you catch the boat to Magic Kingdom. Lots and lots and lots of USB ports in this room too. Lots of drawer space also. And we've got plugs over there. Plugs right here with more USB ports by the bed. Here's your climate control. Dresser. Plugs and USBs. This dresser, we've got another plug here. More storage here. Voila. USB ports and plugs galore in this room, which is amazing. And then we've got more over here by the phone. That's awesome. Lights.